The urban farming technologies and practices we adopted, supported by the City Mayor Joy Belmonte of Quezon City through Joy Urban Farming Program, have facilitated the reuse of resources and promoted agriculture within cities. This initiative provides significant health, social and economic benefit, mitigate the effect of climate change, and address issues such as biodiversity loss, pollution, and waste.
Ay, mga OJT namin.
The recent unit report, growing food closer to consumers not only reduces carbon emission but also enhances access to healthier diets and extended food system resilience. I am deeply grateful to the Department of Agriculture, National Urban and Peri-Urban Agriculture Program. Last year, the Joy of Urban Farming Program, a flagship initiative of our City Mayor, which include nearly 1,000